Content is easy. Reps are hard. And here's the truth that a lot of people just aren't willing to admit. You don't need new gear. You need more reps. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that holds back a lot of creators, especially photographers and videographers. And it's not talent. It's not motivation. It's not even money. It's the belief that you need better gear before you're allowed to start. Everyone thinks that the next camera or the next lens or the next light is what's holding them back. But most of the time, it's not the gear. It's the lack of reps, the lack of practice, the lack of experience. I see this all the time. I find myself stuck in it all the time. Photographers, videographers, creators, we all do it. We get stuck in research mode. What's the next thing? What's the new toy? What can I buy to make my stuff better? We watch reviews, we compare specs, and we try to convince ourselves that once we buy this next thing, once we upgrade, everything's just gonna click. But gear doesn't fix hesitation. It doesn't fix inconsistency. It's not gonna teach you how to see the light or how to pose your subject or how to act fast when you're under pressure. But reps will. Again, content is easy. Anyone can post once, anyone can make a video or take a cool photo, but the hard part is showing up again. Posting when that last one didn't perform the way you wanted it to, or shooting when motivation is low. That's why reps are hard, because they don't feel rewarding in the moment. When you have to push through to do the thing, it just sucks. Most of the time, reps don't feel cinematic or exciting. They look like missed focused or bad edits or photos that never made it to Instagram. Reps is doing the same thing over and over until your brain stops thinking and your instincts take over. You start to move faster and more confident during a photo shoot. Things go wrong and you quickly make adjustments on the fly without anybody even realizing. You don't miss a beat, you just get it done and get the shot. That kind of confidence just doesn't come from gear. It comes from repetition. I still use a ton of gear that people say is outdated. Not necessarily because I can't upgrade. I mean, sure, cameras are expensive, but I put my money elsewhere because I didn't feel the need to upgrade my camera. Why? Because I've put so many reps into it that when I bring that camera up to my face, it disappears. I don't have to fumble with the buttons to try to find the right setting or the right switch. I know exactly where everything is and I know that my camera works. And if it doesn't work, it's probably because I'm doing something wrong, in which case, I've put enough reps in, I have enough experience that I can figure it out. Every photo shoot is a rep. Every edit is a rep. Every upload, whether it performs well or it doesn't, it's a rep. And the more reps you put in, the less blame you put on your tools. You start to realize it's not the camera, it's me. What do I have to adjust to make this better? If I had to guess, I'd say that people don't fail photography for a lack of talent. They fail because they keep resetting. Rather than learning how to use your tools in any scenario and learning to adapt, you get something else that can just fix the problem for you. But then when another issue comes up, your first thought is, I need another tool to fix this issue. And part of the problem is that we live in a time where new cameras are dropping every year. New lenses, new specs, new buzzwords that gets everyone all riled up. And it makes you feel like whatever you have right now just isn't good enough. And moreover, it makes it feel like gear is progress, but it's not. Buying gear is easy. Relatively easy. It gets expensive, but it's easy to do. But actually practicing, that's hard. And a lot of people get those two things confused. Just because you invested doesn't make you a better photographer. Your first couple of photo shoots, they're gonna be messy. Your first couple of videos, they're gonna be bad. But that's not failure. That's training. That's putting in the reps. And every single one of those reps, they stack. Every shoot makes the next one easier. Every mistake sharpens your instincts. So if you're watching this and you're thinking my camera's not good enough, or once I get that new lens, I'll be better, or even worse, I'll start once I upgrade, then I challenge you to use what you own. Learn it inside and out. Go out there and make some content, because content is easy, but reps are hard. So if you want better work and more confidence and real growth, stop chasing upgrades and start stacking those reps. That's about it for this video, guys. If you like it, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and drop a comment down below. When's the last time you upgraded? Or when's the next time you're thinking of upgrading? And be honest, this is a judgment-free zone. I'm just curious. Where's everybody at in their journey? And what do you think about that upgrade? Did it help? Did you need something specific, or was it just a fancy new camera? And if it was, that's fine. I've bought plenty of things for no reason at all. I just wanted it, and it's cool, and I've used it and it's fine. And I've made some cool stuff with it, but it didn't necessarily make me better. That's all I'm trying to say here. If you buy a gimbal or a slider, it's gonna give you a cool shot. But if you can't piece it together with the rest of the video, then what do you have? If you buy a new lens or a new light, you might get some cool effects. But if you don't know how to use that light or how aperture and depth of field work, What does that leave you with? There's no shortcuts, just reps.